Had the police not reached here on time, he would have killed by criminals. Had the police not reached here on time, he would have been killed by criminals. Passive form is wrong in the question. They still think that women are inferior than men. They still think that women are inferior to men. Inferior is always followed by to. Traveling certainly broadens your horizon. Traveling certainly broadens your horizons. Broaden somebody's horizons is the correct usage. Call me if you need a help. Call me if you need help. Help is an uncountable noun. The fire started at the ground floor. The fire started on the ground floor. On the floor is the correct usage.